What's up guys, it's your boy Hangin with PA. I've partnered with Fast 5 to bring you a simple tutorial on how to properly mix your Fast 5 Solutions Pro Glow into your pump sprayer. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. I guess so the ratio of Fast 5 Solutions Pro Glow to water is 1:1. So what I mean, for every 1 gallon of water, you're gonna put 1 scoop of the Fast 5 Solutions Pro Glow into your sprayer. This is a 2-gallon sprayer, so how many scoops would I need to put in the sprayer to have the correct ratio? If you guessed 2, you are correct. I would put 2 scoops of the Fast 5 Solutions Pro Glow into my sprayer to have a correct 1:1 ratio. Now, I do want to take this time to discuss some misconceptions and also discuss, if you are needing a stronger solution, what you can do. Some of you guys might say, hey, PA, I need a stronger solution. I'll put extra scoops of the Pro Glow into my sprayer. That is not what you want to do, guys. You're going to be wasting product, and if you're wasting product, you are wasting money. Let's not do that. Do not do that. Instead, what you want to do is you want to grab some Fast 5 Solutions Pro Glow Degreaser. This degreaser's ratio is 1 ounce of degreaser to 2 cups of water. There are 16 cups of water in a gallon, so 16 divided by 2 is 8. So for every 1 gallon of water or solution that you have mixed, you're going to add 8 ounces of degreaser into that. So this is a 2-gallon sprayer, so I can mix 16 ounces of degreaser on top of my solution. So head over to fast5solutions.com, check those guys out, order yourself a bag. You're supporting a small American business. I hope this video is helpful by getting your ratios right. It's going to save you money, it's going to save you time, and it's going to give you the results that you're looking for. And that's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.